Hello, my name is Scott Cooper, and this is my presentation for my final project in CECS 5200. This is my website. The focus of this presentation is a training course in the style that I do at my job. I work for a large air conditioning company, and I work in the as an instructional designer on the technical side. So we do training for technicians, and we create short video interactive courses that they can take either to learn something new, or to refresh a skill, or to point out a difference in a type of piece of equipment. All kinds of things, safety. There's all sorts of things. This course, the intended audience is technicians. My background, I am also have a background in automotive, so I chose to do automotive air conditioning instead of residential, just to avoid a conflict with my current position. But it's basically the same type of stuff. But also, I wanted to do this course with kind of to show other designers how we do it in the commercial world for a technical side of things. Okay, so this is the home page, and down here I explain that it was made with Articulate Storyline 2, which is the software that we use for our training courses. It's very, very good, very nice to use software. And additionally, we have a intranet system that all of our training courses go into, and the technicians can access any of them anytime from their phone, from a tablet, from desktop, and go to a resource, any resource they want, and take a refresher course, or study on a certain procedure or a new item. So that's the intent of this course, to be that type of a course. Okay, so on this website, we'll just kind of run down the air conditioning system, just a general overview of what is in the online course. This is control components, systems operation. The drop down here we have components, compressor, condenser, evaporator, expansion valve, just different parts. These technicians they work on vehicles. They're familiar with the vehicles. They're just not as familiar with these particular this system or these components. Okay, so the course itself is here. I made this into a button to click, and it's a link to the course. And this is the course here. Starts out, it goes by itself. Skip through these. There's history, system flow. The history one is a little loud. It is videos of the history of air conditioning. Now this is an interactive. It is the entire system, and when the user hovers over it, they can see that particular component's name, and they click it, and then they can read about it. And it's every major component in the system. They can see what it is and read about it. And it also is a flow of how the system works. Okay, then the next one is a video. This is another interactive with the compressor, different types of compressor, compressor clutch. This is another video. Then another talking about what the video just talked about, evaporator and the condenser. They can click on it, get more information. Then there's a dryer, tools, diagnostics, just talks about different charts that they can troubleshooting charts, electrical diagrams, and then system flow and some text explaining some things about it. And there's also an example, example problem that they could run into, just to get them to think about it. Then there's 4 test quiz type true and false. This is a drop down. They will select it to go in a certain order. This is a matching. They slide match these together, and a multiple choice. Okay, that's the online portion of that. And then talking about the course, this is a content so that from the site they can see what's in the course. Maybe there's something in there that they're looking for that's not in here. Okay, then about the course. This section here is about how it was made. It was made in Articulate Storyline 2, which this is a screenshot of the actual Articulate window with all the things you can do. You have, it's like kind of like a PowerPoint. You have a timeline down here. You can adjust. This is the audio. There's triggers, layers. It's a very, very nice software. Very easy to use and really works well. Additionally, Photoshop, Premiere Pro is for video, and Audition for the audio were all used to produce that course. And then there's just this page here is a contact page, and that is my course, my presentation for the course for 5200. Thank you.